only about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I bring, put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, young money raised me, grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment, we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we link up. We done did everything they could think of. Greatness is what we on the brink of.
Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. Cause with me, you could do damage. You could do damage.
Bow, bow, bow to me, drop down to your knees. Your money, the mafia, that's where the love sees. I'm in the Dominican, Big Papi Ortiz, doing target practice, all these songs, just aiming to please. Shout out to the CEO, 500 degrees. Shout out to the OVO, Red Wings and Fatigues. Wanna be friends, how coincidental. This supposed to be our year, we ain't get the memo. A young king, pay me a gold. 40 got a bunch of he ain't even. These dropping songs, they ain't even.
Straight out the package, I'm loving this wig. It is pre-cut, pre-plucked. The hair is so soft and beautiful and full. I'm using some hairspray to help melt the lace and adhere the wig to my head. As you guys saw, the wig comes with combs, adjustable strap, and a drawstring so that you can customize the wig to fit your head. It fits between 21 and 23 inches, so small to large shaped heads. The wig is very, very comfortable on my head. I love the way this hairline looks. It was plucked so beautifully. I cannot pluck wigs. I try, and they never come out looking this great. I am so shocked. This lace, it is transparent. Like, even through the lace, I was able to see my cap. So, like, if you're planning on wearing a cap, I would just make sure you melt it to your head. But it's just so gorgeous. I'm just amazed. Anyways, I'm gonna like play with the wig for a little while. You guys can see how I style it. Since it has drawstrings and combs, you can do updos with this wig, or you can just wear it down however you want to style it. It just gives you versatility, which is great for the summertime. I will have this wig linked down below in the description bar if you are interested in purchasing it. It's from Kiss Love Hair. I am going to be putting in baby hairs because, like, I've been rocking a lot of baby hair lately. I think because it's summertime, I've been wearing my hair up, so like the baby hairs have been calling me. And I wanted to wear this wig the same way I've been wearing my natural hair. If you guys have seen my vlog, you know what I mean. I just been like really styling the baby hairs lately, and I just think it looks so much better if that's even possible with the baby hair style. But like I said, it's up to you. It's optional. The hairline is just beautiful already in itself because it's plucked. But yeah, I'm just going to style it and you guys can watch. Definitely, if you want to get the best wear when it comes to stability with an updo, definitely incorporate the combs and the drawstring and the adjustable strap. You get the maximum hold possible. So I want to throw my hair up into a casual updo so that way you guys can see how it looks in the back. I'm just going to put a middle part in there, and I'm going to put like some little bang pieces in the front, even though I have baby hair, but I still think it's cute. Anyways, while I was watching this back, I noticed that when I was pulling the hair back, I could have just put in a ponytail holder and called it a day because it was looking so cute. So I will be doing that someday this week. But I was going to show you with a claw clip in there in case you just want to pull the hair up because it's so hot outside, you know what I mean? Make sure you pull that drawstring and then tuck the pieces under the wig and then adjust that comb at the nape so that way you have a secure hold and you have the wig pulled down all the way in the back so that it is like snug up against your head. It looks more natural. But this is how it looks with the little pieces hanging down. I'm also going to pull the pieces up into the clip so that way like there's no distractions in the back and you guys can see how it looks with the hair completely up. Look at those baby hairs. Oh God, I'm just so excited. This is giving like 90s. Anyways, let me quit talking. You guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down below in the comment section. Like I said, this wig will be linked down below in the description bar. I love you, Belle, so much. I'll catch you later.